So these are some of the basic things or some of the basic question you should ask to yourself, like for choosing an organization. So what open source software do you use? So if you are using some prior softwares for that, like it is also a good, like whenever you are writing a proposal, then it is a good thing if you are writing that I am using your open source software from a 2 year or 1 year. So it gives them like data point, like he is very much interested in our organization, so he can do a good contribution in this organization. And after that, what are your personal interests? Like if you want to you are going to contribute in the open source community, or you want to do some intern after that. And what are your hobbies? What is your skill set? Like if you know some cyber security, or if you know some shell scripting, if you know some machine learning, then you can engage with those organizations which are of your interest and your skill set.